It's a great sampler of small desserts that are meant to be shared.
The base is brownies, which I'm really excited to eat, and then we have chocolate covered strawberries and ice cream cookie sandwiches and cake pops.
When people walk into Sugar Factory, especially in the retail area, it's lots of oohs and ahs and wows. You can see the excitement in the kids running around. There's just so much to choose from. The Las Vegas location is definitely the most over-the-top Sugar Factory we've experienced to date. The chocolate lounge upstairs is very unique compared to the other chocolate lounges. The carousel and the gazebo and the lights and the tulips and everything, it's an amazing, amazing location.